In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer files and photos to iPad from USB. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it with literally any iPad that you have. So the first thing you want to do is connect the drive to your hardware layer. Now, depending on your iPad model, look at your charging port to see if you can plug it straight in or if you need an adapter. So if your iPad has a USB-C port, you could just plug a USB-C flash drive directly into the bottom. And if your thumb drive uses a traditional rectangular USB-A plug, then you gotta get an OTG adapter, which goes from like USB-C to a USB. Now, if your iPad has a lightning port, then you're gonna plug your flash drive into the official Apple Lightning to USB camera adapter, then plug the adapter into your iPad. Once you've done that, and what you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and locate your Files application. So I can just go ahead and type in Files, go over to that, and then from here, what I could go ahead and do is open it up, press this little tab, and on the left I see a few different things, but I also see my drive, which in my instance is the T7 Touch, so I could go ahead and click on it. Now, if I want to transfer anything, like let's say I want to transfer files and photos to my iPad from my USB, all I gotta do is find whichever thing I want. So let's say I wanted to transfer this image right here. What I gotta do is on the top right, I'm gonna see that little share icon. Go ahead and click on that, and then I'm going to see save image as one of the options. It says preview would like to add to your photos. Press allow, and then that's it. It's now going to be saved to my camera roll, and then you'll be good to go. And you can do that as many times as you want. And yeah, now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.